Hi, it's Barbara Carbone, and today I'm in Sellwood, one of Portland's most desirable neighborhoods, so that I can show you my newest listing. Welcome to 1116 Southeast Linn Street in the Trolley Barn Association. Let's go inside and check it out. This 3-story townhome is located in the southwest corner of Sellwood, just a few blocks to the river and shopping. It's the prime location for anyone that wants that urban Portland experience. On the main floor, you'll find a formal living room with gas fireplace, a reading nook, and a chef's kitchen with high-end appliances, including a 36-inch gas range. Upstairs, you'll find 2 spacious ensuites flooded with natural light and a conveniently located laundry room. On the lower level, you'll find an additional bedroom or bonus room with exterior access, which is only a few steps to your oversized 2-car garage. Life here at the Trolley Barn Association is made easy. With a walk score of 80, you have quick access to shopping, restaurants, parks along the river, and all things that make living in Sellwood wonderful. I'm Barbara Carbone with Keller Portland Premier.